Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I have a brand new unboxing to share with you. This is for a purchase that was not really intentional. I was just at the boutique picking up my camellia for my last purchase because at the time when I made the purchase they ran out of camellias. So my assay told me she'd be more than happy to give me the camellia on my next visit. She was not at the store when I dropped by, so another essay helped me with that. And while I was there, I did see this item here for which I've been looking for such a long time, and I almost purchased the one that looks almost identical but was slightly more expensive, and I will go into the details with you as to why. But I'm so happy that I decided to wait on that purchase and I'll go ahead with that one, because I came across this one. Not only I prefer this one, but it actually saved me a couple $100 as well. So without further ado, let's go into the unboxing. And this time they wrapped it really nicely for me, and I guess she knew that I was into camellias, so she wrapped it so nicely, and I'm just so happy. Look how special this feels, like very special. So here it is. This is what the item looks like. It is so beautifully wrapped. Like, this is the type of purchase that I feel is just so, it makes my heart sing every time I see this. So I just wanted to quickly show you again the receipt. So without further ado, let's go ahead with this. So like I said, I came looking for the camellia and I ended up coming across this, and when I looked at the price, I knew I just had to get this, because the one that I saw last time in the store, and I will insert a picture because I did try it on, was almost the same thing, but it had some ornaments for which I was not crazy about. So here's the pouch they come with. I'm going to here you go. How beautiful is this piece? And I just have to, wow, it is absolutely gorgeous. I am so thrilled. The piece that I actually saw, and they pinned it, so I just have to remove it. Wow, it looks amazing. And this is my first time unboxing, like I said, and I'm trying to get this out. Okay, here it is. Oh my god, it is just absolutely, oh my god, it looks so perfect. This is just so, look at this piece. And I actually have another camera that I'm going to zoom in for you so you can see it even more details, but look at it. I have been looking for this piece for the longest time, and actually the last time that I was at the flagship store on Yorkville, they actually told me that this piece is a limited edition from the last season and that they did not have it anymore. So I was very bummed out because the piece that they had, no sorry, the Yorkville told me it was from the limited edition, and I saw another one like this on the Bloor Street, and that one had little ornaments hanging down, which I was not crazy about. Like, I wanted these piece, and I did try it on, and I figured I could always remove the ornaments, but I was not crazy about the thought of having to remove the ornaments and scratching it. So I thought about it and I decided not to go with it, but I will insert a picture because I did try it on, and this is what this piece would look like. Just trying to get straight with my, but this is what, look at this. I am just so in love with this piece. I mean, you know what, now that I take it home, I think it looks even better in person. I mean, the leather and even the gold, this is not like a very, not the usual gold one that they have. So this one is more of a light gold color. So it looks just stunning in every way. It looks even better when you see it in bright daylight. Oh my gosh, And actually the one that I saw in store was, I guess it was the demo one. Well, they are all demos, right? Because normally they only have so many pieces in stock. But she was kind enough to get me a brand new one in a box. So I told her that I would take it. As soon as I saw it, I flipped it, just look at the price, and this was a couple $100 less than the other one. So I am so thrilled I was able to get this. There is a little Chanel here. I will try to zoom in with my other camera so that you can see it better. But literally, this is the piece I have been wanting, searching for this piece. I did contemplate on looking at this and maybe getting it secondhand, only because I was told that this was a limited edition, but it's not. It's, the essay told me that this is actually a classic piece. So I mean, I'm not sure why the essays are getting conflicting information, but oh my God, this piece looks so, it just looks so elegant. Look at this. Like, how elegant is that? This is exactly what I wanted. I feel like I can wear it just anytime, anywhere, and it would just elevate my outfit. I am so thrilled. So I will probably do another video. I'll see, or I might insert some clips in the video with me wearing different type of different color outfits, just so that you can see how it looks against different backgrounds. But basically this is it. I am so in love with this piece. I didn't want one that would have all these different stones on it, because I did hear that they would fall out, but oh my gosh, I cannot tell you how happy I am to be able to find this piece. It looks even better than the piece that I saw in the store. I mean, this looks, it looks amazing. So I am so in love with this piece. I will give you the code. I did take a picture of the code, by the way. So let me see, I'm just going to, well, I'll show you the number right here. And then, I will insert the picture of the tag that I took at the store. But basically, this is it. I am so thrilled that I found this piece. Not only is it more beautiful than the piece that I saw in the store, but I literally saved a couple hundreds right off the bat. So very pleased with this piece. I am going to wear it today. So let me know your thoughts on what you like in terms of brooches. Do you own any? Would you buy any? Because honestly, this is just so elegant, and I've been looking for this for such a long time. It just elevates your body. Trust me on this. It just looks so elegant, and especially when you're wearing black, right? Look at this. Not too big, not too small. I think it's just, to me, it is just right, perfect. And you could probably even do it probably a bit much here, but yeah. So I am super in love with this and so happy. So this is pretty much it. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and like this video, and let me know your thoughts on the brooches that you like. I wish you a very good day, and I will see you next time. And please, again, do remember to hit that subscribe button. It will make me very happy, and it also tells me that you enjoy my content, and I will continue to make videos for you. So thank you, and I wish you a very good day. Bye.